Yo, 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 welcome to the Food Zone where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one, aka Batman in the Kitchen. I want to welcome you to a tour of the new YouTube cook studio that I set up. I'm going to be using that in the future, and I'm going to be also using the existing area, but I'm not sure when I'm going to open up the YouTube cook studio and cook there, but it's going to be soon. But thanks for being part of my channel. I love you, and you enjoy, and much to come in 2021. Love you. Bye bye. YouTube, this is the new cooking studio that I set up. I'm going to be using this, and I'll also use the existing area that I used to cook in over the last 2 years. I'm not sure when I'm going to use this new studio, but it's all set up. So I have this 2-burner induction stove. It's 1500 watts. I got 2 new pots, bamboo utensils. I have my mother's old pot holder. I got new cutting board with new knives. And I have the ring light. And I also have this set up to be nice and cozy and serene. There's my alcohol, like beer and wine cabinet that I built. I got old containers from Hershey and Nestle. I got my stove there. Nice decorative stuff on the walls. And this is the old existing kitchen. I have red and white wine, olive oils, all kinds of spices. I got olive oil, red wine. I got all this. I even have those spices. I have the microwave that I do a lot of cooking with. I have a lot of decorative art on the wall. I collect a lot of bottles. And here, the stove, which I cooked in the last 2 years, cast iron griddle, the pans, and this is the prep area, and knives, and all kinds of like olive oil, avocado oil, and different wines. So this is the studio, a quick behind the scenes, and there's a lot to come in 2021. As of right now, I usually use this area, this stove, and this prep area. But soon I'll be going to the YouTube studio over there. So I'm not sure when, but we'll be spending a lot of time there. And it's almost July, so it's nice and serene outside. So we're going to be spending some time here. But occasionally we'll go back to the old area. But like I said, I'm not sure when we're going to be using this area, but it's set up. And I'll see you soon. Thanks for being part of this channel. Peace. Bye-bye.